Looking for how to delete keyboard history? In this video I show you how to delete keyboard history. For doing this, go to settings, then go to apps. Now search for see all apps. Now search Gboard. Tap on Gboard. Tap on storage and cache. Tap on clear data. Tap on delete. If you are using Samsung device, you can search Samsung keyboard, then clear Samsung keyboard cache. Now go to search. You can see that there are no keyboard story. Thanks for watching.